pakinggan, di umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako kaya lang...
Granted! If that is in the form of a motion, go ahead! What is so funny over there? I've just finished talking about respect for me as for my other senators. This is an institutional hearing.
I'm sorry.
You should be. The question whether testimony is privileged is determined by the court. Nang wala ako dito, sari-saring insultong inabot ko. Dahil yung tao na kasapi ng Senado, hindi man lang college graduate, hindi abogado, kailanman hindi nag-practice kung ano nung pinagsasabi na may kapangyarihan itong Senate Committee na magbigay ng immunity. Mali! 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 Tapos akong insultuhin niya. Sistema ang pinag-uusapan natin, mang-insulto personal kagad para masaktan ako. Ano klaseng assembly ito? Now we are bound by the canons of civility and decency. The first rule in debate 101 is stick to the principles involved. Stick to the issues. Do not go into personalities. Kagad ang sagot niya sa akin ay tungkol sa personalidad ko. Hindi naman pwede. Magsasabi lang ako ng kalahating totoo. Yung iba ililihim ko. Hindi naman ganun eh. Buong katotohanan. Paano ka magsumpa na buong katotohanan sasabihin mo at ngayon sasabihin mo sa akin, masasangkot ako kaya ayaw ko kitang sagutin. Yun ang ginagawa mo sa akin eh. For those of you who have been talking to your character assassins, I've been awarded as a judicial judge for excellence in trial work, not only by the TOYM of the JCs, the TOWNS of the Lions, but many other NGOs. You are engaging, gentlemen, in a public discourse on the merits of your case. You're not supposed to say that at all. Ang yayabang ng mga nagsasalita na ganyan, ang gago naman. Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, di umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako kaya lang...
Granted! If that is in the form of a motion, go ahead!